Hi there, it's CJ with another video, and none of you guys have commented down below which slime you would like or which slime you want, and so that's really upsetting. But I am going to a mystery place. I will be recording a video at the airport, and so if you guys want to see me go to the airport and on the plane, I'll secretly record why they won't be noticing. And then after that, when we get there, I might tell you. And if you want to see more slime videos or me going places, because I might even go to the Melbourne show soon. I think it's tomorrow, I'm not sure. But on, I think this Monday coming up, I'll be going to a mystery place and I will not tell you. So hit that bell button, like button and subscribe button. And if we hit 100 subscribers, I will do a beautiful face reveal. Sorry, I can't speak today. And I see you in another video. Bye. Slime.